Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. A great big thank you to everyone that comes and visits, and especially the ones that subscribes and leaves a comment. You know, if you want to leave a comment about anything, please, whether it's good or bad, just put it down below. I don't mind. If you want to slag me off something rotten, I'm thick-skinned. Anyway, we get into this short video. It's not going to be very long. But I've got another parcel here, which I'm going to open and show you what I got. I believe this was £16. So that's you 16 quid on the Great British Pound. So that's what they call it, the GBP. So if anyone wants to know, like if you're like from America and you want a dollar, you just go to YouTube, Google and look it up. Anyway, what it says there, it says support multi-range temperature setting, 2000 watt high power, 4 multi-purpose nozzles, soft grip handle, extra storage, hang and haul. So has anyone guessed what it is by that? I'll just flick it over quick so you can't see the front. And it has down here email support. That I am not associated in any way with this company. I'm not getting any money for this or anything like that. If that company sees my video, you know, and they want to pay me, that's quite welcome too. But anyway, it says there's email support. D.I.Y Technology, Shenzhen. Go. I got this from UK, you know, but everything's Chinese when you get it. China South City number 2 Trading Centre, Pinggu Street, Longgang District, Shenzhen City, Guangdong Province. So that's where it come from. So has anyone guessed what it is? I'll give you another 10 seconds to guess. You know, have an argument between yourselves and see who got it right. So if there's more than one of you sat on the couch there watching me, hopefully you're sat on the couch with a nice drink at the side of your feet up, and then if there's other people in the room and all got the feet up and all that, you can all guess, see if you can guess what it is before I open it. So how do you like that idea? So everyone, you should do it, and then, you know, play the guessing game. So I'll actually call this video Guess What. Anyway, I'm going to turn it over. That's it. Your guessing time's up. I'm going to let you all see what the product is. And I bought it because I had one, but it broke down ages ago, and I've been meaning for about 2-3 years to get one. And I finally got another one. Only 16 quid, I think it was, from eBay. And it is a Gino, or is it Gino? I don't know. Heat gun. And it comes from China. It's a 2000 watt, so it's got plenty of heat that can come out of that. I just moved my little light out the road, and I'll get round to opening it. At the top here, I've stripped everything off it. You know, that the greyish plastic stuff that they come in. So if I can get this open, sorry about the wobble on there. I've got my feet on the camera stand. So. Get it open, and then we'll see what's in here. Well, there's the nozzle. We know that's the nozzle, don't we? So I'll open this up here. How does it go? Haha! And there's everything in there. What have we got here? It came with these tools. It's got a that's a scraper. I don't know what it is. Let's have a look. I don't know. Oh, it looks like a blade. I think I need to lay this flat so you can see what's coming out of the box that I put down here. I was hoping, one moment, I'll get this light up as well. Or should I put the light from the other side? Yeah, I'll put the light from this side, I think. I should imagine it'll be better. Let's have a look. Yeah, I think I've got the light evenly. We've got a lovely day here in the UK, except it was snowing like mad this morning. It was full of snow, and then all of a sudden the sun comes out and it all melted. There we are. Can anyone tell me what this is? It's got two nuts on, and it's I don't know what it is, to be honest, unless I look at the instructions, but I'm not going to look at the instructions here yet. It's got instructions, I think. Well, it should have, but then again it's from China, so I might be just Chinese instructions. What is this? What is this? Ah, right, I've guessed it. I think this goes on there like that. Do you see? I think this goes on, so you must be able to buy these separate scrapers, you know, and then put them on there. Hang on, I'll just take that nut off, and let's see if I'm right about, there's no washers and out on it, so I think you get that, and then you tighten it down and sandwich the two nuts, you know, get a spanner on each side and sandwich the two nuts together. There we are. Yes, I think that's what it is. It's the old scraper there. So I'll just put that in the box there. We'll go to the next thing. Inside here we have, oh yeah, that's it, that's all that's in here. And it's a nice little scraper. It's got a wooden handle. Mind you, look at the quality of that wooden handle. That's been roughly done, that. It's been done with a penknife, I think. You know, you can just imagine this little Chinese man like with a penknife, shaping them all, and then, you know, got a big box full, and then they're going to put them all together like this. So that's what it is there. Let's take a look at, hang on, I'll put this down here. Because you've seen them, you don't need to see them again, do you? Oh look, there's something else in here. Now, it comes with all these nozzles and scrapers. Let's have a look and see what they... I think it comes with 6 items all told. There's a nozzle for it, you know, like a wider one. There's a scraper, another type of scraper. I don't know what this is for. Is it for getting around corners or something? I'm not a painter and decorator, but I'll hardly be using these because my uses are different. I don't even decorate, and rather than pay, the wife does it because she likes to decorate. It's therapeutical for her. This is a type I will be using because it spreads the heat, you know, across. So it's great for like heat shrink and stuff like that because it has heat settings on it. And another scraper. I probably at some time would use them. I don't know. That's what I would do. But there's like 4 there plus the other one and the other scraper. So I got 6 items. It said that on the thing. It was the best deal actually. £15.99 free postage, and it's supposed to come from London, but obviously you can see it's someone from China in London. Let's take this out. What else is in here? Oh, that just feels like the instructions. In my case, should have called them the destructions because I don't read them. Let's see if I can get it out. Come out. Right, and here's my baby. This is, I'll just put it down here. Let's just have a quick look in the box, see what else is in there. Yeah, it's instructions, I think. Yeah. It felt like there was 2 plastic bags. Oh, there was. Warranty card's got a 3-year warranty with it. So you get a warranty card. I don't know what you do. I think you have to go online and, yeah, official connection there for you. Yeah, tools.com. And it has a 3-year warranty with it. Isn't that cool? 3-year warranty for something from China. But like I say, I'm not slagging the Chinese off regarding the quality build. It's been getting better and better every year. Right, now I'll take this out of the bag and I'll let you have a look at this, and then I'll even plug it in. So what we have here now is my Gino, or anyone can pronounce that, give us a shout, heat gun. And I've been conned. Right, I knew the con had to be there somewhere because it said 3 meters of cable. You know, because you do need a long length of cable, don't you, if you're painting and decorating using one of these. You know, because you're up a ladder, aren't you? So, you know, 10 foot of cable would be absolutely brilliant with this. But I would say 2 meters. I'd say it's only 2 meters. So they've robbed me out of a meter. Yeah, so supposed to have 3 meters of cable. But it feels really, what should I say, sturdy. 1, 2. So that's cool. It's got your settings on the switch itself. where you can just like, you press it down, it's on 0, 1 and then 2. Oh yes, I like that. And I like the design. The design is absolutely fabulous, and I like the colour and all. You can get them in black and red, but I like the yellow. I thought I'll have a go at a yellow tool, but I like yellow tools anyway. I like bright colours personally. But yeah, it's got a nozzle already on the front, I think. Won't bother trying to yank it off in case I break it. And I think it's a good handy tool. I don't know what this is for, you know. It's probably something you can slide on there, like a handle or something to carry it. It's got its rated voltage here is 220 to 240 volts, rated power 2000 watt, and it gets temperatures between, on the minimum, that's the number 1 is 350 degrees centigrade, and on number 2 it gets 550 degrees centigrade. Cable length 1.8 meters, so it's not even 2 meters, and I'm sure it said 3 meters of cable. So you know, I've only got like 6 foot there, haven't I? 6 foot cable. It should have had something like a 10-foot cable. That's a rip-off. I know it said 3 meters. But never mind, I like the style. It says on there what it is. So I'll get to plugging it in. Just give us one moment, I'll plug it in and let you see. I'm not going to burn anything or anything like that. Oops, that way plug get in there. It won't go in that socket, so that looks like a broken one. Oh my god. Just give us a moment, I'm going to have to pick this extension up because oh, that's why. Look at this, I forgot, look what's on it. I know what these, I always have these on when they come. So I forgot. You didn't expect anything like that from China, to be honest. Right, so it'll plug in quite easy now. Right, I've got it plugged in now. So I'll just go for number 1. And it's got a nice fan. Oh God, I can feel the heat already. The heat, look at that. The heat is like really tremendous. I've got that here, look, and then I'll move my hand at the distance where I'm feeling the heat. Roughly at present now, I've got my hand about 3 feet away. I've got long arms, me, you know. And then we go on there. So I'm going to do like number 2. That's number 1, and it is hot. Number 2. Wow. Now it's blown some heat out. That is hot. The closer my hand gets to it, I can only hold my hand 2 feet away. With this, it's just too hot, it's burning my hand. Jesus. Let's see what it does with this plastic bag. Ow, hang on, my hand on there. Melted it instantly, look at that. Wow, look what it's done to the bag. And that's not close up to it, you know, I can't put it close up to it and burn my fingers. Whee! That is, I am impressed. I am impressed. Hang on, hey up, look, there's a load of smoke coming. I hope it hasn't set on fire. No, it's a new white. Oh, hang on, there's some cardboard in there. No, I think it's just the newness on it, you know, they have, hang on. Oh my god, there's cardboard in there. Can you see the cardboard? Look at that, it's still smoking. Can you see the smoke? Doesn't smell like a new smell. I'm sure that's cardboard in there. Look, can you see it inside? I don't know if you can see it on camera, but I'm sure that's cardboard. If it goes around the edges there. So I'm sure you've got to take this off and take that cardboard out. Yeah, it is. It's corrugated and all like cardboard. Oh my god. So I think I've done something wrong there. I'll figure it out later on off camera. But here's my plastic bag completely melted by it. I am impressed. I doubt if I'll use that 550 range, like, because that is like hot. Unless I'm using it on something else. It's still smoking like mad. I wonder if it's set on fire inside. Let's have a look. I know you're supposed to get smoke and a smell off them when they're new, so that's it's got a, it might just be the newness, I don't know. I'm going to strip it down later on and have a look, but it works fantastic. I am totally pleased and over the moon with this. What a heat gun for the price, unbelievable. I got it off eBay, and it comes with all these tools. It's the cheapest one. Well, it's not the cheapest one on eBay, because there's others there for 14 quid, but they're only like 1200 and 1500 watt. This is a 2000 watt. They don't come with tools, this did. So you know, it bought me on the thing. It didn't say it was made in China, like, but you don't expect that, do you? But anyway, it is a fantastic gun. I would recommend it. I'll tell you, I'll do another follow-up video, play it basically. Anyone request it to find out what it's like in a couple of weeks or months time. I'll chuck it back on here and let everyone see how it's doing, and I'll let you know how it's doing. As with some of the goods I show you. So that is it. I'm going to wrap this up for now, and I'm going to say a great big thank you again to everyone that subscribes. Please subscribe. I have a lot of people, I don't know if it's eBay, YouTube. I have a lot of people that have subscribed. They're saying they subscribe to me, but when I look, my subscriptions have never ever moved for the past, what, 4 months. I've even watched YouTube rip me off with my views. They're not going up. They do go up. I watched it once. One of them went over 1,000, and they took it right down to about 180. It's disgraceful, and you know, I don't know what I'm going to do. I've actually contacted YouTube about 3 or 4 times, and they just don't reply back, point blank. So I don't know what's going on there, but it's certainly not nice for my channel. I mean, they're ripping me off. You know, because and all them lovely people I want to talk to, and I don't know what they're doing. It's still allowing me to subscribe to people, but it's not allowing them. You know, it doesn't seem to be putting their subscription and, you know, most of the views on there. So please, if you haven't got a reply from me, let me know, and you know, I'll complain to YouTube yet again and see what's happening. But please, everyone, subscribe, leave a give us a shout down below whether it's good or bad. I don't care. Hit the bell, because I can't put them out regular these days, because it depends on my health now. I could be, you know, flat out in bed, or I could be up, you know, sitting about and walking about. My health has just deteriorated a little more, but nothing to worry about. Anyway, so on that note, everyone with this COVID, stay safe. Please stay safe. It's awful, and keep your children safe and everybody safe, you know, with this COVID. And I wish everybody the best of luck and happiness. Goodbye.